Hi guys, my name is Brittney Gowins. I'm an educator with Lasio, and today we're going to be going ahead and talking about follicle filler and all the things that it's going to do for our hair. We recently colored it, and as you can see, the bleach has damaged it a little bit, so we're going to mend those ends right back up with follicle filler and bring the luster and shine back to it.
We're going to go ahead and wash our client using the Hyper Silk Clarifying Shampoo 2 to 3 times. That way we ensure we move all the buildup from the hair. Next, we're going to start our follicle filler treatment. Go ahead and section your client's hair into 4 sections, and beginning at the nape with 1-inch sections. You're going to begin to apply and really emulsify that product into the client's hair using your fingers in a comb. We really want to ensure that you have enough product on there and that it's being coated from roots to end. Follicle filler is definitely a game changer for us stylists behind the chair, because unlike many other bond builder treatments, follicle filler is an exclusive professional line only. Customers cannot purchase the products themselves online or in a store. Not to mention that once they go home and wash it themselves, they will still have the benefits of growth, plumping, and hydration of the hair from inside out. Go ahead and wrap it up and put a cap over it to start the incubation period.
Alright guys, so we just finished applying the follicle filler. Now we're going to go ahead and let her sit under the incubation process for 20 minutes on high heat. Super important part of it, because without this, it's not going to work properly, so don't forget it. The 20 minute is up. We're now going to apply the collagen cool therapy, and just make sure you go ahead before you apply this, turn your setting to cool, that way you can go ahead and cool off, because we're going to be needing that as soon as we're done applying this.
I have parted my client's hair into 4 sections, and I'm just applying the collagen cool therapy right over the follicle filler treatment that we have put in, and just ensuring I'm combing it through.
Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and put her on cool for 2 minutes.
Next, we're going to go ahead and take our client back to sink and rinse her out. No shampooing, just rinse it out really well and style as desired.
Alright guys, so this is our finished product. As you can see, her ends have been mended. Shine is incredible here. What I like to mention is that this is not altering the structure of her hair. It is just basically filling and restoring the chemical makeup of your hair from inside out. It is not just a treatment that's going to sit on top of her hair. She's going to have these beautiful results with shine for 30 days. And as you can see, it just lays a lot flatter. It looks a lot nicer, but yet she still has the body she wants. Those ends just don't fray out like that. They just lay really nicely and shine.